Hey everybody, today we're doing our favorite guy of the year. It's Santa Claus.
Woohoo.
Ho, ho, ho. He's going to bring everybody some nice presents, I hope. Everybody's been nice and not naughty. Okay, so before you get started, if you guys want to follow along, grab a nice sheet of white paper. We have our Sharpies locked and loaded, ready to go, and a bunch of colored markers.
Yes.
So you can color them up if you want to later on.
Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button.
That's right. We want as many likes as we can get. Here we go.
Let's get started.
All right. So to begin, I'm going to start off with his beard, Santa's beard, okay? So we're going to do the top part of his beard, and then we're going to go down below for the other part. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to do like a shape like this, and then it's going to kind of come up. And then it's going to go under where his nose is going to be. And then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to match what we just did, do the reverse of it. That's it. Okay. Now let's draw his nose. Do a sideways circle like this right here. Okay. We're going to do his, we're going to do an eye right here. So do a shape like this. And then we'll cut it off like that. And then we'll do another one on this side with a little cut off like that. Okay, and you can fill that in if you want. Or if you want to color his eyes blue or something, you guys can do that. Okay, now this is his mustache part of his beard here. So it kind of hooks over. We're gonna come down like that. And we're gonna do the same on this side, down like that. And then we're going to do all of his beard down here, and it's going to come to right about here, okay? So we're going to do some round shapes like this, like that. So it's kind of almost looks like small grapes. And then we're going to go to this side, and we're going to come back like this, and then we're going to join like that together. All right, good. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Mine's a little thin, but yours looks really good proportions. Okay. Now let's draw his body right over here. So we'll come up from his mustache over here, and we'll come out because he's a little bit chunky from eating all of Mrs. Santa Claus's cookies and stuff. And then we'll do on this side. Just a little bit porky there. Okay. Now let's draw his belt buckle here in the center. So I'm going to draw like a square shape like this. And I'm going to do an inner ring that has, but watch this, it has like a little shape here, like that. Like that. Yeah, it kind of looks like a ring with a line through it. That's it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line over here. That's going to be his belt. So it's going to be like on the inside of that belt buckle. Yep. And then that's it. Now we'll go to this side. So I'm going to wrap it this way. Like that. Okay. Now we'll continue his red outfit here. Like that. Two small shapes there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a curved line. Follow his belt. Make a nice curved shape. This is the bottom of his jacket, his coat, and it's going to have like a rounded shape here. And then we're going to join these two lines like that. Very good. All right, let's finish off the lower side. So we're going to do his legs. So find the center right here and just move over a little bit, okay? And we'll do a line like this. Then come over here and do a line this way. And then let's do the same on this side. We'll do a line like this, and then a line like that. And then we'll join these two together like that. And then we'll do similar to his belt. We'll do these round shapes like that. And then we'll do the same on this side. There we go. Okay, now the boot part. So this is the top of his boot. Let's do his foot part where his foot goes into. So we'll come down. And then we'll go to the left, like that. And we'll come over here. And then draw a straight line down for where his heel is. And then we'll do the same on this side. We'll come down from this line here a little bit, like that. And then we'll go to the right. Yep, and then we'll come over. And then this one, his heel comes over and then curves like that. There you go. All right, excellent. Now let's do his arm on this side. So we're gonna start right about from his mustache. We're gonna come down and follow the curve of his body. Okay, and then we're gonna come upwards. And then over here, okay, we're gonna draw that line like this. So this is gonna be his cuff. So it has a rounded shape, kind of like his boot. And then we're gonna come over like that. And then this right here, it's rounded, okay? So his hand comes in and then it rounds like that. Okay, and then we'll do his mittens. So we'll do his thumb and then 3 fingers or something like that come down. Oh, that's a good mitten, yeah, there you go. Okay, now on this side, he's gonna be holding his Santa's sack full of presents, okay? So on this side, what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw his cuff from this side of his glove. It's gonna be over here, but it's gonna be connected to his coat, okay? So part of it's missing, 'cause it's behind, so we're gonna go like this, okay? And then see where his elbow kind of tucks in here? Draw an imaginary line over there. It's gonna kind of tuck in there. So this one's like this, it's bent, that's his elbow, and we're gonna come up like that. Yep, there you go. And then here's his glove. It's kind of hidden behind his mustache. Let's put in his mouth right now. He has like a little smiley mouth. Okay, now if you wanna draw his cheeks, we can draw these 2 rosy cheeks. And I'm using the point of the Sharpie, really pointy, and I'm not pressing really hard. And then we'll kind of go like this. Yeah. Okay, great. Now, let's start with his head here, okay? So what we're gonna do is, see this line here? We're gonna continue an imaginary line like this. Just a little bit, and on this side, the same thing. This line's gonna kind of come and go like that. Okay, now we're gonna bring these 2 together, but we're gonna curve it like this, okay? Like this. Like that. All right, and then Santa has a couple white fuzzy eyebrows. So we'll do kind of like his cuffs on his gloves and his boots. We'll do 2 shapes right above his eyes, like that. 2 like hot dog shapes, there we go. All right, now we're gonna do the bottom of his Santa's hat. So right over here, it's gonna be rounded like this. And this you can make a lot thicker than these ones here, okay? A little bit thicker, and definitely thicker than the bottom of his thing here. And then on this side, it's gonna do a similar thing like this. We're gonna round it like that. Okay, and then we're gonna join these together. Okay, good. Now, let's do the top of his hat. So it's gonna kind of come up like this, and then come down and get kind of close there, yep. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna hook this up, okay? And then over here where his mustache is, somewhere around here, you can go like this, and let's come back up like that. Really close, but don't touch, okay? And then over here, he has a little ball at the end of his hat, right like that. Awesome. Look at that, it's looking great. All right, now we forgot all his goodies for everybody, because everybody's been really good this year, right? So we have all these presents in here. So let's go from his mustache, okay, just below his hat, from his mustache, we're gonna draw a big bag, and it depends on how many presents you want in there. You can draw it really big or a small one, because there's been a lot of naughty kids out there that doesn't have a lot of presents. I don't know, but I'm just gonna draw mine right about here, and I'm gonna make a big, fat, chunky bag all the way like that. There we go. Awesome, and that's it. That's our Santa Claus. How does yours look at home? Good?
I think so.
Yours looks great, Juliana. I'm proud of you.
Yeah,
That's
yours
awesome.
Too, yours too.
Okay. You want to color this guy in now?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. You start. Here we go. Let's color this in. Awesome. Santa is done. He's looking really jolly and happy.
And yep, I'm so excited for the Christmas year.
Yeah, for the Christmas season, yeah. And his bag is super stuffed full of toys. So hopefully you guys have been good and you're getting those toys. All right, guys.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.